everyone, it's Dino, and I'm with my friend here today.
Hello.
Yes, this idiot. I have no clue why I ever invited her or whatever. Well, actually, it said, yes, we're gonna be playing video games, and I don't know what your user is. Hello Kitty. That's like the weirdest name I can ever think of. Hello. How do you even... Okay. You joined my server, and we're not gonna have a problem. We're not gonna be having a problem with this. You joined my server.
I've been refreshing my page and trying to join you over and over again.
Oh my god.
Finally, you're online.
I've been online!
No, like, I'm in the game.
Oh my god. Okay, there we go. You probably have to wait for, like, so long. Okay. Do we have any more guns? Because that'd be nice. Oh, she did. Finally killed something. Okay. So, if you don't know about her, she's basically a person that also records stuff. And probably, yeah, we're both not good. We can't do things that are good, but we try our best. You can't even speak.
We don't make good enough content.
Yes. Jesus. Okay, finally some new. Oh God. Okay, that's.
Who can I kill? I haven't played this game in so long. Is the rules different?
No. All I can see is right now is just a new gingerbread thing.
Whoa.
What?
Whoa. Oh, it's glass.
You're an idiot. See that thing? Oh yeah, press it. Oh God. Can
I can't get them very
I got a present.
The gun.
Use the gun then. Oh wait, no. Oh, okay. Oh, finally a new thing.
Idiots. Oh my God.
Got a new gun. Oh God. Okay.
I will feed you.
Jesus. Oh God. Okay, that's.
Gets murdered.
Yeah, just gets murdered like immediately. Oh my God. You are really not good at this game, which I am also not good at this game, but...
Well, I also have...
Okay, there's a scam going on, which is really cool. Oh my God, okay. Guys, don't go through scams. Yeah, just don't go through the scams. You could probably not hear you. No one could probably hear you right now. No one could probably hear you right now because you're like, the audio's so bad. Jeez. Look, I'm telling the truth, Buster. And also, yeah, we both have a bad audio.
Nice. Come here.
Where you at? Where you at? Yeah, okay. Come here, Buster. Oh. Just kill the man. What are you laughing at, Buster?
No one in here.
No one in here. Thick legs. Thick legs. I die. But she pull out the knife.
Oh my God.
Oh, God. Okay, well, I'm already dead. Okay, well, no thanks. Holy crap. I don't know which one is which. Help. Oh God, I don't know which one is which. Oh, haha. Jesus, bro, I cannot kill anything right now. Oh, God. You're literally dead.
There's like 2 shit.
Oh, dear Buster. Oh, dear Buster. Okay.
Alright, I'm a zombie.
Oh, no. I'm scared.
I'm a zombie in the window. I'm the zombie that is like jumping rapidly.
Okay, well, I can't see you right now, because, like, right now there's, like, so many zombies. Hey, I see you. Jesus, am I the only one Am I the only one that's actually here?
Is the weapon.
I don't. Oh god. Oh my god. I don't. Bro, they're all going after me.
Offset level 65.
Oh my god. Bro. I'm about to die. Okay, yeah, I'm already dead. I'm already dead.
There's a sapphire zombie. Why is it like rhinestone?
Oh my god. You good?
I'm at level 57.
Wow. You already. Oh my god, okay. Wow. Here, I'll protect you. Stay behind. Oh, well, you just literally died.
I'm gonna be a zombie.
Okay, well, I gotta watch out for you, because your little buddy, the weirdo thing, is gonna be coming after me.
I'm the weirdest zombie.
No, thanks. Okay, guys, don't fall for these scams. They're not good. Please don't read the chat right now, because I'm too lazy to put them up. Dear. Oh, well. Not what I think of as of right now. Oh my god, if they did not close the door, that... Oh my god, okay, I have... Oh my god, okay.
You're better.
Well, you say that, but you can actually just die from it. Oh god. Okay, boom, boom. Oh god. She's poorly drawn, thing.
I'm not afraid. Oh my god. That's called misnaming.
Jesus. So much.
No!
You died, of course you're gonna die. God, I have a french fry person once. I went to a restaurant.
Whoa.
What? Just cussed out there. Oh god, okay, well that's apparently something. Oh wow, okay. They're all just coming after us, okay. Okay. Ah! Oh no, I'm gonna die first. Oh, no. Where are you?
Where are you?
I'm literally trying to fight out zombies, bro. Oh my god. There's so much. There's so much. Oh, I found you. Right here. Look behind you.
I saw you.
Yes. Just use your gun. It's the most easiest one.
My gun doesn't work very good.
Do you have it zoomed in? Do you have your screen zoomed in? This is way easier that way.
Okay.
Oh, present. Yee. Jesus. Ah. Oh god, ah! Brother! Okay, I gotta go here. Oh my god. That's a lot of zombies that I won't even have to deal with. Oh, present! Oh no, I can't get presents. I can't get presents as of right now. Bro, stop!
All of a sudden we call back and we know what you
Oh god, there's so many zombies!
No!
No! Oh no!
I'm dying!
Dude,
I died.
of course you're gonna die.
I
Let
died.
me try what it's like to have a sword.
Oh, I can't really die.
You can't really die. That's a funny thing. present. Still present. Hey, buddy, come here. Oh, God. Okay, well, that's apparently something. Oh, what the? Okay, just shot him there and then shoot him there.
How can I tell what level I'm on?
Just look in your, chart, and then boom, your level something. Oh my god, there's so many zombies! There's only like 2. Wait, where are you? Okay, I see you. Oh, right there.
This game is easy in first person.
Yeah, of course it's gonna be easy. It's gonna be super easy. Well, like, not exactly super easy, but just easy.
Who's hitting me?
Who's hit? My god. It'd be cool if we had a boss fight. Like, a boss battle. Something. Gotta have to close.
Players.
Maybe that'd be cool.
That'd be fun. Like, not only the zombies are your target, but
Wait, like, they should, like, add something with zombies with, like, very much, like, a lot of powers. So, like, we had to shoot him. Even with the, like, the, strongest gun, still is gonna take, like, a few damage and then boom. That's it.
oh my god.
Hmm.
She's...
What? Okay, cool. Boom. Oh, okay. Boom. Bada. Okay, where's... I only have like a few more minutes till this game, like till it ends. And I'm very sorry for the background because my mom is with her friend. And this sucks.
20 zombies just dropped in. Oh, no!
You hard code? Got 13 gifts.
Actually, at this point, dying.
At this point, oh no. Just imagine saying that. Hey, you can't hear her anymore. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay.
Why is my avatar naked?
Why is your avatar naked, dog? What are you?
Okay, it just had to load in the clothes.
You going to a place? You going to a place? It's not family friendly anymore.
Stinks.
Oh, What are you talking about, Buster? Are you okay? I am very concerned about you. Oh my god, okay. Boom. No. Now you're on level, like, 60. And someone's just getting beat up there. Oh, that's you.
I'm level 61 now.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. I
Yes.
just make a bunch of holes on the floor.
Wait, gun. Got gift. Okay, where are you right now? Okay, I see you. You're like on low health. Come on.
Yeah, I might stay somewhere. Get it.
I'm just gonna...
Not that one.
Oh my god, there's more zombies. Hey, dog. You know, boom. Boom. You, boom. Okay. Oh god. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Here, oh no, oh god. Just stop. Got 15 gifts. Oh, okay. Oh, there's more. Okay, yeah, I need to heal too. Okay.